In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by price on Google Flights. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Flights. You'll land on a clean search page with fields for your trip details. In the From box, enter your departure city or airport. In the To box, type your destination. As you type, Google will suggest nearby airports, which can be helpful if you're open to alternate options. Choose the ones that make the most sense for your trip. Next, take a moment to check the trip type. It's usually set to round trip by default, but you can switch it if you need a one-way ticket or another option. Right beside that, adjust the number of travelers. Click the passengers field and set how many adults and any children or infants are traveling. Getting this right up front ensures you see accurate pricing for your group. Now pick your dates. Click the date field to open the calendar, then select your departure date and your return date if you're booking a round trip. You can move through months and look for days that fit your schedule. If you're flexible, you'll often notice prices vary by day, so selecting nearby dates can sometimes lower the fare. Once your route, trip type, travelers, and dates are set, click Search to load the available flights. Google Flights will display a list of options based on your inputs, and by default, it typically highlights what it considers the top flights, balancing factors like price, duration, and convenience. To sort strictly by cost, look for the sorting control near the top of the results that says Sorted by Top Flights. Click that to open the sorting menu. From the list, choose Price. The page will refresh. Give it a moment as the results load. When they appear, the list will already be sorted by price with the cheapest available options at the top. Review the first results carefully. Check the total fare, the number of stops, layover times, and the overall duration so you understand what you're trading for the lower price. Keep in mind that the lowest fares can sometimes be more restrictive, so glance at baggage and change rules before you proceed. If you selected a round trip, remember the final price reflects both your outbound and return choices. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Flights, enter your route, adjust trip type and passengers, choose your dates, click search, open the sorting control, select price, and let the results load. You'll now see the most affordable options first, making it easy to pick the best deal for your plans.